Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Comcast email to a new mail client using IMAP. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred mail client on your device. Next, locate the settings section in your mail client. Look for an option labeled Add Account or New Account. Select the option to add an email account. Choose the IMAP configuration option. In the email address field, enter your Comcast email address. In the password field, input your Comcast email password. For the incoming mail server, type imap.comcast.net. Set the incoming mail port to 993. Ensure that the option for SSL encryption is enabled for incoming mail. Now, move on to the outgoing mail server settings. Input smtp.comcast.net in the outgoing mail server field. Set the outgoing mail port to 587. Ensure that the option for TLS encryption is enabled for outgoing mail. Next, find the option for authentication and make sure it is enabled. You may also need to provide your Comcast email address and password again for outgoing settings. Once all the information is entered, save your settings. Your mail client will begin connecting to the Comcast IMAP servers. This may take a moment, so please be patient. Once connected, your Comcast emails will start syncing with your new mail client. You should now see your inbox and all folders populate with your emails. To verify everything is working, check if you can send and receive emails. If you encounter any issues, recheck server settings and ensure your internet connection is stable. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your Comcast email to a new mail client using IMAP. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.